Hello everybody, this is the Bright Corner. My name is Linda Kayanga and beside me is
Max Stewart.
So for today's headlines, we have our handing over ceremony,
Beginning of mock exams,
and the beginning of the end of term examinations. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Are you looking for a school for your ward? Then look no further. St. Brandhigh High School is the place for you to be in.
A school that trains the hearts and the minds of all our students
And transforms them into responsible citizens.
We offer general arts, visual arts, science, business, home economics.
So why not give us a call now? Or visit our website at www.sbahs.edu.gh.
See you and your ward there.
Welcome back from the very short break. For our first story, we have the handing over ceremony.
Yes, handing over 2023.
Very beautiful ceremony. So it started with like mass.
Normal mass.
And then getting to the end, they didn't say the closing prayer and stuff yet. So getting to the end, then we all arrange ourselves, like we the incoming and then the outgoing.
So wait though. At this point, let me officially introduce to you House One's very own prefect, Master Max Stewart Amon Co Taylor. Damn! Woo! Yes, that's why he was like we. Yes, we get it. We.
Okay. So then we arranged at two different sides. Those who were like incoming, we the incoming prefects, we are the left, and then the outgoing were the right. We are this side first, and then like they'll call out like your role and then your name, and then you come to the middle with the outgoing prefect. Then they'll give you the sash. After then you switch places. So like power is being switched
from the left to the right.
Exactly.
Okay. So with time, we finally had our outgoing prefect and we have our prefectorial batch of 2023. I mean, it was such a beautiful and short ceremony, and at the end we had 33 prefects in all.
Yep. That's an increase from the last year's 24 or something like that.
Yes, so let me say this. Last year we didn't have house prefects as actual prefects. There were house prefects, but then
we actually called house reps.
Yes, they weren't. No, house leaders.
Yeah. They
weren't actual prefects. And then what else?
SRC secretary has now joined.
SRC secretary has.
She's now the general secretary for SRC and the prefectorial batch.
Yes. So in addition to the prefects, the SRC secretary is also part of the prefect. So when they are calling for a prefect meeting, the SRC secretary is actually included. Yes. So moving on to our second story for today, we have the beginning of the mock examination.
So you guys, the university will not see me going, so I mean like I'm working like a slave in the house.
Don't worry, if you're washing dishes, at least that one is lucrative. If you don't do it, but you get beaten, that one there, that's your salary.
Oh God.
As we are approaching the time to write end of term examination, that means I'm soon going home.
Yep.
Coming home, yeah?
For 8 days.
Sadly enough, no more 3 weeks vacation. Just 8 days. So that's 1 week and 1 day.
I do spare us like how many days? 4 more days, like 4 days more than midterm or something like.
Midterm?
Midterm is 5 days, Abby.
We didn't have midterm, so it's basically like 2 midterms.
Yeah, that's as the midterm.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of today's episode of The Bright Corner. If you know you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe.
Like this video.
Give it a thumb. Oh, sorry, it's the same thing. Comment, turn on your post notification bell.
And don't forget to pray for us and our seniors.
Very necessary. God first, yeah? Okay, thank you very much. My name is Linda Kayang.
And I'm Max Stewart.
Bye.